from a 9th class, but we don't know it. I don't know, maybe some of us know it. That we have a linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And we tried to plot this on the Cartesian plane. Okay, what did we get? A straight line. Okay, so we used to plot all the points satisfying this linear equation, and we formed a line forming all these points. Okay, so that's what we're going to do over here. Okay, so for this line we learned three things till now. Okay, first of all was points. Okay, second was slope. Okay, and now the third thing which we'll learn is intercept. Okay, this is not intersect, this is intercept with a P. Okay, this is intercept. Okay, so what is the use of an intercept? Let's find out. Okay, let's suppose this is a line going like this. Okay, now the distance which it will cut on the x-axis and on the y-axis. Okay, these two distances are called the intercepts. This one is called the x-intercept, and this is called the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Okay, so what are the uses of this intercept? We'll study later. Okay, so we're going to use these three things, these three parameters, to find the equation of a straight line. Okay, how are we going to do this? Let's find out. Okay, so we have basically 6 to 7 forms of line. Okay, forms of equation of line. Okay, first one is called slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. In this case we know just two things. First one is the slope, and second one is the y-intercept. Okay, why not the x-intercept? Why the y-intercept? We'll discuss this. And the equation comes out to be y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, now this m, we've already discussed that this m will be the inclination of the line with the positive x-axis. Okay, so this will be the line. Let's suppose, for the sake of simplicity, I am taking this line something like this. Okay, I'll discuss the other line in the next topic. This is the value c, which is the y-intercept. Okay, and this is the slope of the line. M is equal to slope, and this intercept is called c. Okay, then the equation of the line is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Now in case of the other line which I drew first, this one, so where is the y-intercept? The y-intercept in this case will be negative. Okay, now the value of c in this case will be negative. And what can we comment on the slopes? The slope in this case will be positive. Okay, and in this case the slope will be negative. Why in this case is positive? Because the angle is acute. Okay, slope is nothing but the tan theta, as we discussed, and tan theta is positive when the angle is less than 90 degrees, and tan theta is negative when the angle is greater than 90 degrees or the angle is obtuse. Okay, so these are some basic facts. So the equation of line in the slope intercept form, so if I am given the slope and I am given the intercept, then the equation of line will be given by y is equal to mx plus c. Pretty easy. Okay, so why this thing comes out to be c? If I substitute the value of x as 0, okay, what I'm gonna get is y is equal to c. So if x coordinate is 0, this length comes out to be c. Okay, so this is the use of intercepts. Okay, and the next form is called intercept form. Next form is intercept form. Now in this case I would know both x-intercepts as well as the y-intercept. Okay, then the equation comes out to be x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So this is the equation of line in the intercept form. Why this equation comes out to be like this? Because if I substitute the value of y is equal to 0, what I'm gonna get? The value of x will be equal to a. Okay, so this length over here will be equal to a, because the coordinate of this point will be equal to a comma 0, right? If I substitute the value of y is equal to 0, the point I'm going to get on the line is this one. Okay. Similarly, this point, okay, how we're going to find this point is if we substitute the value of x is equal to 0. If we substitute the value of x is equal to 0, we're going to get y by b is equal to 1, which means y is equal to b.